Alright guys, welcome back to this channel. We'll be talking about growing okras in this video. Okra farming has proven to be one of the profitable agricultural venture you can delve into. It's quite simple and very easy to achieve, and that's the reason why I would advise you consider planting okra. You can easily do this at any given space in your environment. But it's a very excellent way of increasing your income. It could be passive, it could be massive, depending on the scale you place it on. So what I'll be sharing right here is a backyard farming scenario, or you can obviously scale this to a commercial scale. So in this video, one of the things you can notice is you can see the land on which we will be planting our okra. You can see the workers are working to prepare the land for the okra seedlings. Now, before this, what they are doing, before the stage where we are presently on, I want to let you know that we have sprayed this land. So this land has been sprayed with herbicide. The reason for that is because we want to ensure that we are able to suppress the present growing plant, so that our okra seedling will have at least a good number of time before it starts getting weeds in it. And obviously when the weeds start coming out, you want to weed them off as regular as possible, because one thing okra don't like is weed. So you have to ensure that the land is well weeded and free from weeds. So the process we are in right now, after spraying the land with herbicide, is the making of the ridges, making of the hips. Right here we are doing the hips. The reason for this is that okra, being a very special plant, although some people plant okra without using the hip, but I would not advise that. So what we do in our own case is we always make hip or ridges. Anyhow you decide to go about that is fine, as long as you have a mass of sand somewhere where you're going to place your seedling. It would always work fine. So we are planting our okra on the hips, and that's because of the special quality of okra. Okra has a taproot system, and it's very great for it to be on a hip or on a ridge, and that's one of the things you have to provide for it while getting into okra farming. So what you have right here is the hip. The workers are working, we are making the hips, and you can notice also that the soil that we have right here is a well drained soil. Is a soil that will not accumulate water. You don't want to have your land in a place where it's meshy. Okra doesn't do so well in a meshy environment, in a sticky environment, in a clay soil. You prefer to have a sandy loamy soil while embarking on okra planting. So the land you can see right here, you can see it's a black soil. This is a sandy loamy soil. It's a well drained soil. It doesn't hold water, and also the temperature for okra planting is mostly it requires a lot of sunlight. It requires rain, but not too much of it. It doesn't do too well with massive rains and everything. So you want to have a moment where it can easily get the water and also get the sunlight alongside. It's more very close to the cucumber, the watermelon. If you know anything about cucumber and watermelon, that's what you get when you are getting into okra planting. So we are planting the okra, and the okra we are planting right here is a seedling that will take 40 days to start fruiting. So in the next 40 days from now, from the time when we are planting this okra seedling, we will start harvesting our okra fruit. So it's it's an hybrid okra seedling that in 40 days we start harvesting. So that's what we plant here, and also it's not a very tall breed. So that's why I say it's an hybrid. It grows very short. When it gets to the harvest time, you'll be seeing it. It's not a very tall seedling, and it fruits very well. It fruits very well. So this is the first stage of planting the okra. You want to have the land prepared, and then we'll be walking you through the next stage of planting or nursing fertilizing, and then obviously harvesting. All right, guys, thank you very much for checking on us. We love you so much, and we want you to embark on your own profitable farming. And we really hope you can gain so much and get inspired from this channel and get into your own venture. Thank you very much. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.